The Imperial House of Japan, also referred to as the Imperial Family, comprises those members of the extended family of the reigning Emperor of Japan who undertake official and public duties. Under the present Constitution of Japan, the Emperor is the symbol of the state and of the unity of the people. Other members of the Imperial family perform ceremonial and social duties but have no role in the affairs of government. The duties as an emperor are passed down the line to their male children. The Japanese monarchy is said to be the oldest continuous hereditary monarchy in the world. The imperial house recognizes 126 monarchs, beginning with the legendary Emperor Jimmu and continuing up to the current emperor, Naruhito. Historical evidence for the first 29 emperors is marginal by modern standards, but there is firm evidence for the hereditary line since Emperor Kinmei ascended the throne 1,500 years ago. Article 5 of the Imperial Household Law defines the imperial family as the Empress, the Grand Empress Dowager, the Empress Dowager, the Emperor's legitimate sons and legitimate grandsons in the legitimate male line, and their consorts, the Emperor's unmarried legitimate daughters and unmarried legitimate granddaughters in the legitimate male line, the Emperor's other legitimate male descendants in the third and later generations in the legitimate male line, and their consorts, and the Emperor's other unmarried legitimate female descendants in the third and later generations in the legitimate male line. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.